Okay. So question number 7 is there are 2 point charges separated by distance b. So these are the 2 point charges, the distance between them is b, and between the 2 charges we have to plot the magnitude of electric field versus r. So we have to plot E versus R graph for 0 r to b, for the value of r varying from 0 to b. And there are 4 conditions given. If both are positive, this is the first condition, that both charges are positive. So this is positive charge and this is also positive charge. We have to plot the magnitude of electric field along this line as a function of r. We can either find the expression of this field. How? Let us say, if we say from this plus charge q at a distance r, the electric field will be E is equal to kq by r square. Because of this charge and because of this positive charge, the electric field will be in this direction. If right direction is taken as positive, this term will be positive, and due to this charge q, the electric field will be in this direction and therefore it will be negative. So net electric field at this point will be minus kq upon this distance is how much? B minus r, B minus r whole square. If we want, we can plot for this graph, but there is no need to find the graph from the equation. We can simply get the nature of the graph just by analyzing the magnitude of electric field at different points. So if we see that just near this positive charge on the right side, electric field will be very large in magnitude, and electric field will be dominantly because of this charge q towards right. So it will be positive and very large in magnitude. And just left of this positive charge q, electric field will again be very large because of this positive charge because of the very small distance, and it will be towards left, and left side is taken as negative. And midway between the 2 point charges, electric field should be 0, because electric field of this charge and this charge will cancel out. If we now try to plot the graph, just on the right side electric field will be very large and it will decrease because it has to become 0 at the center, and just on the right side, left side of this positive charge, electric field will be negative and very large in magnitude. So this is the nature of graph that we will have if both the charges q are what? Positive. Okay. The second part of the question, we have to draw the graph if both are negative. This is also negative charge, this is also negative charge, and we have to plot the nature of electric field in this case. We have to first of all assign a particular direction to be positive or negative. If in case we assign the right direction as positive, so just on the right of this negative charge, electric field will be very large in magnitude and it will be towards what? Left. It will be taken as negative. Similarly, on this side, electric field will be very large in magnitude and it will be towards right. So it will be taken as positive, and midpoint the electric field will be 0 in magnitude. So if we make a rough sketch of the graph, electric field here is very large, it's negative, and in the midpoint it becomes 0. So graph should be something like this, from very large negative value to zero value, and just from the mid towards right, electric field will become positive. This is the nature of electric field graph for two negative charge minus q and minus q. Third part of the question is, if A is positive and B is negative, so this charge is said to be positive and this charge is negative. Now it is equivalent to a dipole, and for any point between this positive charge and negative charge, there won't be any point where the electric field will cancel. So because of this positive charge, at any point between these two charges, electric field will be in this direction. Because of this negative charge, electric field will be in this direction. So net electric field will be sum of these two electric fields towards right. Okay. Again, for a point very close to this positive charge, on the right side of it, electric field will be positive and very large in magnitude. Electric field will never be zero between the 2 points, so graph will never cross this line E barabar 0. And just near the left of this charge minus q, electric field will again be very large in magnitude and positive in this direction. So graph will be, it will start from positive infinity, then it will go to a minimum value, and then it will again become positive infinity just near the charge minus q. Actually, electric field is always positive between this charge q and minus q, because it is at any point it is where towards the right, and right side is taken as positive for the purpose of plotting the graph. It is infinite magnitude just near this charge plus q and just near this negative charge minus q. So graph is asymptotic, it is going towards infinity on these 2 points. Okay. Finally, the fourth part is, if A is negative and B is positive, just reversed. If this is negative and this is positive, in this condition, for any point joining the two charges, the electric field will be towards what? Left. Because of this negative charge, electric field will be towards left. Because of this positive charge, electric field will be towards left. So net electric field will be towards left. And if we have taken right side to be positive, left side will be taken as negative, graph will be below the x-axis. It is negative. And similarly, just near this charge minus q, on the right side of it, electric field will be infinite in magnitude. And just near this positive charge, on the left of it, electric field will again be infinite in magnitude, directed towards left. So both of the values of electric field at this point will tend to minus infinity. So graph should be just reverse of the previous case. Graph will start from minus infinity, go to a maximum value at the midpoint, and then again reach minus infinity just near the charge plus q. Okay, so this is the nature of graph for the fourth case when A is negative and B is positive between the 2 point charges on the line joining them.